Hello and welcome to this extra video. It's not really part of the training series for setting up a website, but you kind of do need Google Analytics connected to your website to find out what people are doing. Now this is an extremely it's quite complex, Google Analytics. And it's certainly something you shouldn't worry about. When you're setting up a website, you should really be thinking about the steps. So start with buying a domain name, next buying hosting, next setting up your WordPress, setting up WordPress on your site, then learn to blog, learn to write interesting articles that get people coming back, that kind of thing. This is something you need to do, but it's not something you should worry about at the beginning. Anyway, so because you're going to be using Google Analytics, you obviously need a Gmail account. Now, when you have a Gmail account, you have to set this all up. Now, I'm not going to go into a big song and dance about this because it'll take forever to do everything on video. What I will do is I'm going to show you how to add a property. So this is in your admin, which is here at the bottom. Okay, this should be already done, but you might need to create a new account first. So you can create an account. I've got one. I just call it My Internet Businesses. Create a property. So the property is your website. So click on web because it's about a website, and then continue. So here you put technology for technophobes. Make sure you put that as S, HTTPS, and then technology for technophobes.com. Okay. Industry category, I don't know if this is even important. I'm just going to put education. Okay. And then GMT, and then create. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. Not that difficult. Now we've got a tracking code. Now, again, so if we go to here, it says connect Monster Insights. So you've already connected, you've already set up your website on Google Analytics. So let's see if we can just connect like this. Now it's going to ask me to sign in to my Google account. It then just says all the things that it will do. So basically say allow, that's fine. Now, sorry about that. Now we need to find that's actually Google telling me that somebody has signed into my account, I think. Let's ignore it. So technology for technophobes.com, or website data. Okay. Sorry about the blurring as usual. It has to be done. Now, all right, congratulations, you're now connected. And that's pretty much it. Now, there are other things. Let's just look at the report. So, okay, nothing. Well, that's not surprising, is it? Because, first of all, my site isn't really live. But look, this is what it shows you. And then, what it also does is, on the dashboard itself, it gives you this. Okay. Obviously, eventually you want these to have you want this number to be a lot, and if you want the number to be small. Bounce rate is how quickly people leave your website. So if it's 90-95%, that means people are leaving your website very, very quickly. If it's 60%, 50%, you're doing very well, and be very happy with that. It then has more stuff below, and you can go to your analytics dashboard to see more stuff. All right, so the actual analytics, hang on, I'm just trying to find if we go to, hang on, I'm just trying to find, where is, oh, is it? Hang on. Yeah, so you're looking at insights. Monster Insights is for your analytics. And then you've got settings here. This is license key if you want to upgrade. And you can allow tracking usage if you want. And then you've got the launch setup wizard, which is this one. Okay, so we're just going to put publisher. I'm going to make this a blog. You could do a business website if it's a website for your own business, or e-commerce if you're selling something. And then it's got reconnect where you don't need to, so we can skip that one. And then these are the next set of connections. You don't really need to do anything like this. Don't worry about all this. Save and continue. Now a lot of this is upgrade to Pro, you see, so that's where they hope to earn their money. WPF forms, don't worry, but WP forms, don't worry, because we've already got contact. There you are, that should skip. There you go. And there you go, it's okay, and look, it does say it can take between a few hours and 24 hours for the reports to populate. So basically that's what you've done. Okay, and then here you can just play around with these things. You know, well, for e-commerce you need to upgrade. Publisher, that's what we're doing here. And you know, you can have a little play around. And then there's tools, which again you can look at. Now all this is it's not necessarily complicated to understand, but it does require, you know, some serious studying. Google Analytics, people earn a lot of money to be able to look after people's sites using Google Analytics. So spend a little bit of time doing it, but honestly here it's for people like us. Quite often it's just for these, you know, hopefully you'll see these numbers increasing and this number decreasing, and that'll make you, you know, inspire you to continue. All right, so that's all it is, another 10 minutes, so that's great. I'm going to stop there, and thank you very much for watching. And we're going to do 2 more videos. We're going to do Yoast and Hummingbird. All right, so I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.